Gold and silver so far for the day has been trading bullish. We have recommended a buy at 2184.85 zone earlier in the day with our Asia and Europe session, and see what it has achieved, 2196. I hope you all profited. Likewise, silver has also moved towards its next resistance at 2460. Now, what to expect from gold and silver with the US session? How to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get twice a day updates and notifications. You can also join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and do like, share, and comment, friends. It is always a great motivation. Let's start. First, we'll look at gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And if you're not joined the channel memberships here yet, do join the YouTube channel memberships here. Press the join button. Let's start. See, look at the early charts. Earlier in the day, we have seen that gold yesterday erased all the gains, and it has come and fallen back within this channel in which it was trading for a while. Now again it has shown a breakout, and if you look at the move here, you can find out that the bullishness, this is a stronger bullish candle than a smaller bullish candle, and this could be one of the reversal candles. So with the coming candle, with the next 1 hour, if you see it is staying below 2188-89 levels, you can initiate a selling entry and again expect it to fall back within the zone here. Only bearishness today is if it trades below 2175. As long as gold stays above 2175, do not treat this as bearish. If you also look at the hourly chart, this is trading outside Bollinger Bands, putting a pressure on the Bollinger Bands to expand. Let's see if it continues to close outside Bollinger Bands as well. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI at the top here, coming to 2 hour. On the 2-hour chart, see, earlier in the day we have seen moving averages here are trading with divergence, and see prices are taking support from the 2050 period moving average. Yet again taking the support, it is trying to rise. Also one must note, see, after taking the support, a little rise, further highs, then support. So this time it can in fact yield higher highs here, which means we can in fact look forward to 2210 levels as well. Thus, if it stays above 2200, we can initiate a buying entry and expect it to move towards 2204.05 as the first targets, 2210, 2212 as the next. And if it stays above 2210, 2212, you can say it is turning further bullish. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising, coming to 3-hour chart. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. See, first of all, it has created beautiful steps here, and then this single bullish candle has appeared. Remember, this is the first candle, but what has happened, I will expect that if it breaks beyond 2200 levels, certainly you can say more bullishness may prevail with the next candle. Right now it is outside Bollinger Band. I will wait if it trades on the downside. I will wait if it drops below 2189-88 levels, below which slight bearishness, but only confirmation of a reversal is if you see gold trading below 2175. Stochastic rising, MACD is again divergent, bullish looking up, and the RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour, if you look at 4-hour chart, see this red line coming, this is a long-term trend line. And see, if you see yesterday, it has precisely achieved the levels and reverse, and today again 2200 levels are going to play a critical role here. We will watch out how it behaves at around those levels. Also, what has happened yesterday, it can replicate today as well, where it has erased all the gains with this next candle, and thus I will be watchful of the next candle from the current levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising, coming to daily. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting week 1st of April. And yes, in this batch we focus on two things. One is to impart you with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades with ease. And next is to teach you the art of trading. Now, this art of trading will teach you how to close a trade in profits and how to maintain the profitability. Now, when you combine these two skills, definitely it will add lot much of meaning to your trading decisions. Thus, do not miss this opportunity. Join the mentorship batch now. Reach out to me via email or Telegram for details related to the services. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Now, coming to the daily charts, earlier in the day I have mentioned, see, higher lows are consistently seen. You can see this, and also we have seen increasing body size. Now today again we have seen yesterday and day before increasing body size, and today after delivering higher lows it has reversed. Now definitely point number one to note is, I will wait if it breaks the highs from yesterday, that is 2200. Now 2200 is going to play a critical role, beyond which only we can expect that there is going to be else it can erase the gains and it can reverse as well. Yes, as long as 2200 is not breached, we should not be treating gold as bullish. Beyond 2200 we can look forward to 2204 to 2205 levels, and beyond that 2210, 2212. Any move beyond this is a clear indication that gold is willing to achieve higher highs of this channel, which is towards 22 30 35 zone. Now, next thing is, can it reverse? Can it reverse from the current levels? Can it show a sharper drop? These are markets. Remember, anything and everything is possible. Now, if you see gold is staying, now where is the reversal confirmation? Only reversal confirmation is if gold trades below 21 74.75 and 21.70 levels. If you see it is staying below 21.70, we can say now gold has turned bearish and a drop can be expected. As long as it stays above 21.70-75 zone, do not read gold as bearish. Very clear here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is still in red, trying to converge a bit, and RSI rising. So considering for the day, I will recommend a buying entry at around 21.99, 2200 levels. This is going to be the first resistance zone. We have already discussed the next resistance zone and the targets at around 2204.05 and 2210, 2212, beyond which you can expect it to give a stronger move, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. We can see it moving towards 2222 and 2235 levels. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is only and only if you see it is staying below 2188, 89 levels, below which you can expect gold to move towards 2184, 2179.80 the next, and then 2174.75. If these three levels are taken, then we can say now there could be a reversal in the prices, where the first target is towards 2170, 2160 levels. Now 2160, if it breaks, the bears will take over, and then 2150, then you can say it is reversed and a crash can be seen. As long as these levels are respected, we are not going to treat either gold bullish or bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. If you look at silver, earlier in the day I mentioned, see, it can try to bounce back, it can try to deliver lower highs from here, and if you draw a parallel from here, see, first of all, it has formed a very good support at 2140, and see a squeeze it may try to show, and that is why I say first thing is for silver to break beyond 2460 and then 2480 zone. This zone is going to be very critical for silver to break past by. Any move above 2480 is a clear-cut sign of reversal. Stochastic rising back to overbought. MACD is also rising bullish. RSI is also rising, showing slight bullishness. Coming to 2 hour, if you look at 2 hour chart, see, this was a sideways movement, and if you look at the formation here, the drop, retracement, the drop, the retracement. So right now I can see it forming lower highs, lower lows. Thus, as long as 2480 levels are not breached, we should not be treating silver as bullish. We have to wait for it to break beyond 2480. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has crossed over again and trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour chart, likewise on the 3 hour charts, after stabilizing here at 2440, we can see this is the first bullish candle. Now I'll wait for the next bullish candle, and if it stays above this zone at 2460, you can say we can look forward to a little further rise, which can take the prices towards 2480. And if you connect the dots here, you will find this is how silver has been trading, and thus it is very important for silver now to break beyond $25 levels. As long as $25 levels are not breached, you have to put 10 cents trailing stop loss, and see 2465 you can buy, but then 2480 very strong resistance, 2490 and $25 levels you have to be cautious of. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation is seen here. And if you look at the stochastic here, also it is rising. The MACD is almost on the verge of a bullish cross, and RSI is also trying to trade bullish. Now coming back to the daily. On the daily chart, so an important point to note here is the double top levels yesterday, what silver has shown, which makes 2490 is a greater resistance. So what we can look forward to, see, lower lows are done and lower highs, which means at best it can try to move towards 2480, 90 zone at best. And as long as it stays below $25 levels, it can reverse any point of time. Thus, one should not be treating silver as bullish as long as $25 levels are not breached on the upside. Now, also one must note, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has come to take the support and now trying to reverse. So this is one observation you should always look at. The stochastic is oversold. MACD has crossed over here at the top, and it is trading with divergence and bearishness, while RSI is almost staying flat. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to buy silver at 2465. Expect it to move towards 2480. First resistance 2490, the next. and then 25. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish, silver is reversing, and we are looking forward to 25.20, the first target, and then 25.50 and 60 cannot be denied. But I still see we are going to see stronger resistance in silver as long as $25 levels are not taken on the upside. Next thing is where to sell. I will only recommend you to sell if you see silver trading below 24.40, where you can expect it to move towards 24.20. Very strong resistance at 24.20, 24.15, and then $24 levels. As long as 24 is not breached today on the downside, you should not be treating silver as bearish as well. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Thank you.